So you probably already heard that there's some dogs that can sniff out cancer cells. And when they're doing that, they're picking up on volatile organic compounds that are produced by your body when there's cancer cells. The problem with that, though, is dogs take like 6 to 12 months to train up to do this. So there's been a big push to find a cheaper and easier replacement for dogs as a way of detecting the smell of cancer cells in the human body. And some scientists may have just found the answer in ants. So they took 36 of these ants, they put them through a trial in what they called an arena. The first trial was there was a vial of water on one side and a vial of human cancer cells on the other. The side that had the cancer cells also had a small sugar reward. So they put the ants in this setup. The ants learned that if they go towards the smell, they get a sugar reward. They did that 3 times in total, and the ants got faster and faster each time at getting to the sugar reward using the smell of the cancer cells. But to make sure the ants were smelling the cancer cells and not just the sugar reward, they then put them into a memory test setup with no sugar. On opposite sides of the arena were just completely empty vials. On one of the other sides was the human cancer cells, and on the remaining side was a completely new smell to the ants. So 4 things, 2 empty ones, one with the cancer cells, and one with a completely new thing to throw them off the scent. The ants spent significantly more time near the cancer cell vial because they'd learned to associate the odor of the cancer cells with the sugar reward. And the study's authors say if you combine the efforts of a couple of ants at the same time, you get the same efficacy rate at detecting cancer cells than you do from a dog. The difference is that they could train these ants in 30 minutes instead of the 6 to 12 months it takes to train a dog. And if this keeps working, it means we could start using ants to detect a whole bunch of stuff like explosives and narcotics, spoiled food, as well as a whole range of diseases like malaria and diabetes.